Well, welcome to Traditional Home Education Experts, or THE for short. Thank you so much for clicking on this introductory overview video in which I'll quickly describe what's to follow in the Video Open House series. I started these videos because I oftentimes receive email messages from parents asking me how home education works. And that's a huge question and so many different answers, which range from administrative to teaching and learning, to include learning resources, student evaluations, post-secondary, what do you do in high school? I mean, so many different categories. So I thought, you know what, I'm going to start building a video open house where parents can come and find videos on topics that are specific to their questions. So again, those questions can range from the nuts and bolts, how to get started for registration or notification, as we say in home education, all the way to ideas for how to teach a particular topic. So I hope that the videos in this video open house fit or match what you're looking for. If you do have topics that you're interested in and are not already covered in the Video Open House series of videos, please contact me at phone number 780-467-5511 or at my email address at brett@the.ca, and let me know what's on your mind. Let me know what topic you'd like me to cover, and I'll get right on that. So again, thank you so much for clicking on this overview, and I hope that you find these videos to be very helpful.